That's all right. Yeah, that's okay.
Do you want us to start asking you questions, or do you want to say something first?
Yeah, I'll say I'm not going to, there's not too much I'm going to share right now. Today was a visit to the crime scene. And we toured the facility, the AG and myself. We were able to ask some questions and actually see up close and personal the space, the surrounding space, and the fence where the escape was made. Whether it's a murder case, a rape case, or a jailbreak, prosecutors always need to take a look at the crime scene themselves.
Based on what you saw in there, should the sheriff resign?
I'm not getting into that right now. This is, I'm just doing my job right now. You've got the AG looking at a number of things, from the number of inmates that are here that should be taken into state custody if possible, looking at issues with regard to consent decree. My focus is on a crime that occurred in Orleans Parish and who participated in it.
Well, what was your impression on what you saw?
I'm not going to comment on it now. This is information gathering as we do at any crime scene. If the crime scene is available, you go to it, you observe it. That's what today was.
Has the selling question been fixed?
Did you believe that funding is necessary from what you saw?
It's not my job.
Has the selling question been fixed or patched up?
I'm not going to get into any subsequent remedial measures. I'm not going to say anything that could compromise the security of the jail or compromise my prosecution or compromise the work that the AG is trying to get done here.
Williams, you mentioned that we know that there's been one arrest in this. Who, in the end, in your eyes, is responsible for this?
Certainly more than one person, but we won't get into that right now.
Does the jail feel well staffed today?
Infrastructure issues in there that we've heard a lot about.
I'm not going to get into those questions right now. This was a crime scene visit for me for a case that is under investigation and review by my office.
Does the jail feel well staffed today?
I'm not going to get into that.
Based on, you saw the pictures before you went in, what you saw with your own eyes, what's your reaction to that?
I wasn't coming here to get a reaction. I came here today to gather information, to view the crime scene, to see it for myself. It's one thing to see camera shots and pictures, but I wanted to see exactly where they were able to scale the wall, what door they went out of, how it was secured. I wanted to see the back portion of that toilet area so we can understand how it was defeated, so we can figure out who all was involved in this jailbreak, who assisted, who knew, and when. This is just the beginning of that inquiry.
Did the sheriff join you during this?
Did any of that surprise you?
Nothing is going to surprise me in 2025. I mean, if you look at the city of New Orleans, we've seen a lot of stuff in a few months.
Did the sheriff join you during the tour?
I'm not going to get into who was present.
Do you anticipate more arrests in the coming week?
Yes,
Why so?
that's all I'm going to say for today. Thanks, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you.